So let's look at this. Welcome to our class. Let's look at this question, Neco 2025, geometrical construction. That is question 10. It says, using a ruler and pair of compass only, construct 1, triangle PQR such that line PQ is 8 cm, angle arrow PQ is 120, and angle PQR is 30. So between these three alphabets, you can see P is the middleman, is the owner of the 120 degrees, and Q is the middleman here, is the owner of the 30 degrees. So let's do that. I'm going to need a plain sheet of paper, my ruler, and my pair of compass to do this construction. So let's start by drawing the line PQ as 8 cm. So I will have this PQ 8 cm. So from this line now, I will mark out my 8 centimeter. From this line I just drew. So let's take here as our 0, and here is 8, which stands for our PQ. So I'm going to take in the length of that line. I will take in it to indicate Q. Taking it to indicate PQ. So this is point P, and this is point Q. Please note, we're supposed to use pencil in geometrical construction, but for the purpose of this class, let's use a biro. Then angle P is 120 degrees, which is, this is not P. That means at P, I will construct 120 degrees. I'm going to need my pair of compass. So open it to any radius. Where is the radius? It's from where the pin is to where the biro is. That is the radius. So you can use any suitable radius of your choice. So I'll put it at P and draw a semicircle. Semicircle is half of a circle. So with the same radius, I'll put it at this point, where the line, where the semicircle touches the line, put at this point, I cut an arc. With the same radius I used to draw the semicircle, this angle is 60 degrees. When I put it here, where the 60 degree angle touches the semicircle and comes another arc, that represents 120. Although they didn't give us the length of P arrow, so since they didn't give us the length, I will draw from P with a faint line that is not thick, to any length, any suitable length, because I don't know the length of P arrow. So they also said angle Q here is 30 degrees. So let's concentrate 30 degrees at Q. So at Q, I'll put my pair of compass at that point and draw also a semicircle with any radius of my choice. So when I put the pair of compass here with the same radius to cut